Ever wonder how to capture that rich, smoky flavor from bacon without the mess or waste? The Ayesha Bacon Grease Can promises just that, a smart, stylish way to save and reuse bacon grease for your sautéing, frying, or roasting needs. If you're serious about elevating your cooking with minimal hassle, this accessory might just change the way you cook bacon forever. What sets this bacon grease can apart is its durable, heavy-gauge steel construction. Unlike flimsy containers that wear out quickly, this can is built to last, standing up to daily kitchen use without rusting or losing shape. The enamel lid and sturdy handle make it easy to manage on your countertop. No more greasy spills or awkward juggling when you're cooking. Plus, the 4-inch diameter provides ample storage, so you won't need to empty it constantly, making it a practical addition to any kitchen setup. But it's not just about function. The Ayesha Bacon Grease Can comes in modern, stain-resistant enamel colors that complement the full line of Ayesha cookware and bakeware. It's a subtle upgrade that adds personality to your kitchen while keeping cleanup simple. One user pointed out that although the can doesn't come with a built-in strainer, a small, inexpensive strainer from a hardware store fits perfectly inside, a quick fix that keeps bacon bits out of your grease and your recipes clean. If you're looking for a reliable, attractive way to save bacon grease and bring more flavor to your meals, this can is worth a look. It's not just about saving grease, it's about making your cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. The combination of heavy-duty steel, smart design, and appealing colors means you get a product that lasts and looks good doing it. If that's you, adding this to your kitchen arsenal could be a smart move. Ready to simplify your bacon grease storage and add a splash of color to your countertop? The Ayesha Bacon Grease Can offers a long-lasting, practical solution that fits seamlessly into your cooking routine. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen tools with something both functional and stylish.